Namaste dear friend, my name is Tara. Today I am going to teach you Supta Virasana, Reclining Hero Pose. This pose is seated and back extension pose which requires the flexibility from the ankles, flexibility from the knees, quads and the low back. So the contraindications are same. If you have injury in your ankles, injury in your knee, low back or your quads, avoid this pose. Or if you have a pain, practice under teacher's guidance. So here I'm going to use a bolster. It's a normal bolster, homemade bolster I'm going to use here. I'm preparing my bolster. First come up on your knees. Your knees are coming close to each other, knees together and feet apart. You're extending your shin bone back, ankles back, and then pressing the top of your foot down. Press your top of your foot down and bring your sit bone all the way down to the mat. It means you are bringing your sit bones down, you are not sitting on your heels, moving your feet to the side. If you have much pressure on your knees here, again come up, hold your calf, roll your calf out to the side and sit down again. It will make a difference. It will release the back of the knee, will create the space for your knee. Nice. Now from here, if you are not comfortable enough with your ankles, you can pull your ankles slightly back to release the top of the ankles. Again, hold your foot and pull your ankles back to release the top of the ankle. Now you need to use your bolster. Move your bolster closer to your lower back. Then move your palms beside your bolster. Inhale, lifting chest up. With exhalations, start dropping your forearms down, one forearm then other one, and start resting your spine on the bolster. Once you get into the pose or you are halfway into the pose, if you think your lower back is not resting using one bolster, then you must use another bolster. Or you think the quads stretching too much and you cannot hold the pose, then use another bolster to make yourself easy. Stay here, keeping your knees together close to each other. Close your eyes, bring your hands on your belly and do nice deep diaphragmic breathing. If you're trying first time, you haven't tried before, or the pose is quite challenging for you, so practice here with 6 to 8 breaths holding. Otherwise, you can hold this pose for 1 minute to 3 minutes. Once you complete your pose, move your palms down to the mat. Press the forearms down, lift your head up. Then lift any of one shoulder up, forward, push the floor and come up. Here in this pose, the interesting part is the contraindication is the same and the benefit is the same. The contraindication, as I said, if you have injury in your knee, ankles and lower back, so all this area you need to be careful, but these areas will get more improved when you practice this pose if you have no injuries. It creates the flexibility and strength in your ankles. It creates the flexibility and strength inside the knee. It creates the flexibility in the quads, stretches the quads as well as the deep hip flexors, and it also strengthens the lower back muscles. So this was a Supta Virasana. Have a safe practice. Enjoy.